Example number 18. A equals to 8, 5, 1, 9, 2. Print of A of 1, colons, -1, which will return 5, 1, 9. Look at here. This time my index value is +1 on the left side. So program will start from index 1, 0, 1. What is index 1? Which value lies at index 1? 5 lies at index 1. 5. Up to index -1 value on the right side. What is the value at -1? 2. 2 is the value. But remember, 2 is not included. Just before 2 all the elements are included, but 2 is not included. Exactly, -1 index will not be counted. So before 2 we have 5, 1, 9. Because remember, the tuple starts from 1 at index 1. So we will have 5, 1, 9. And the final output with the parenthesis. As I told you, -1 index is not included.